congratulations for the amazing trailer launch that we've had today. It looks trippy, it looks exciting, and we all can't wait for the 9th of March to finally be here. So first things first, let me start off with you, Vijay. Now, the remix is an Amazon Prime original. We're very excited. India's very first digital reality show. Why did you think of this to be the very first on Amazon Prime?
Well, firstly, like I said earlier, entertainment and music is in our DNA. So that was an easy choice. Second, overall, within the space of unscripted, the themes that we're really pursuing passionately are the ones that connect with young India. The beauty about music is while it resonates very strongly with young people, its broad appeal makes it, a choice that we could not resist. And thirdly, really, was we fell in love with the format. We loved what it could do. We loved the fact that it pushes the creative envelope so very strongly through musical innovation and experimentation. We said this is the first thing that we need to be launching.
All right. Very well said. I'd like to bring the next question to you, Sunidhi. Firstly, let's all take a moment to acknowledge the poster behind you and the trailer that we just saw. I think if there's anyone who could have rocked that gown with the fabulous baby bump, walking in style and defining woman power, it had to be you. Love it, don't we?
Thank you. So sweet. Thank you very much.
So, of course, you were pregnant while you were shooting for the entire series. Firstly, how was that experience for you? I mean, it's one thing being pregnant, it's a whole other thing being a judge. Pressure galore. What was going on in your mind?
Yes, it was difficult, but thanks to the remix team, Amazon, Grey Matter, who made me feel so comfortable. I was like absolutely at home when I was on the sets. And I cannot forget to mention these two amazing gentlemen sitting besides me and Karan. Pregnancy feel ही नहीं हुआ. I mean, सबसे crucial time में तो ये show हो गया. So everything just was so smooth, and I was most happy during my pregnancy. And yeah, so
That's
thank
great
you. Thank you, guys.
That's great to you. Also, I'd like to bring this point to all of you that we do know that this is not the first music show that you've judged. But what makes the remix different from the other shows that you've judged?
The concept itself, the format of the show. It's never been done before. आपने ऐसा कुछ पहले कभी नहीं देखा होगा टीवी पर. और the new thing is that it's on the digital platform right now, which is Amazon Prime. And बहुत ही वैसे तो remixes आप सुनते हैं फिल्मों के गानों में, लेकिन on this show it's going to be totally a different approach. यहाँ पे point ये है कि how you make a remix sound new and original, if you know what I mean. गाने तो आप वही बॉलीवुड से लेंगे, but how to make them sound absolutely new is a task on the show, and it's pretty difficult as well. So that's what you're gonna see in the show, and it's beautiful. It's beautifully done. I also want to mention the whole production, the graphics, lights, dancers, performances. They are more like acts than just performances. ऐसा नहीं है एक सिंगर आके सिर्फ गा के चला गया. It's everything together, and you love them. You know all these singers, these DJs, and they've done a fabulous job.
That's great. Thank you so very much, Sunidhi. Amit, I'd like to bring the next question to you. Now, we do know that you always dish out some amazing music to us with your Bollywood films, and might I add, even the ad jingles. We love them as well. What do you think of the music on the remix? What can we expect?
The most exciting thing that Sunidhi said, that the format was so amazing. When I was introduced to this format for the first time, and when I saw it, it was truly new for me. And genuinely, I'm saying I had never seen something like this before. And I wanted to be a part of this. You have the name remix. When anybody hears the name remix, it sounds a little cliche, na? Kya wohi remix gana. But this show is not just remix. It's the way this remix is done. It's the collaboration between two people. One is the singer, and another is the music producer. For the first time in the history of music reality shows, I think we are emphasizing on music producers also. It's the first time that is happening. The people behind the music, people behind the voice. So that emphasis is happening here. And the way they are, whatever songs that you have heard so far, the way they are twisting, rejigging it in their own style, bringing in their own personality, with experimenting with different genres that are there in current scenario, whether you talk about trap or you talk about tropical house or hip hop or any such genres, to listen to your old favorite classic in this genre, in this setup, it's totally amazing and it's totally new and it's very next level. I think it's a really next level thing. And like how Sunidhi said, that to top it all, when you have these two people doing their act, there are these amazing graphics as well as the choreographers. And the singers are not just singing in one place and singing, they're dancing and singing. So overall, it's an experience which has never seen before. I have never seen before in so many Indian reality shows that I have seen. So this is one of a kind and way to go.
That's a